Hello guys, welcome to my first makeup blog and I'm gonna use Lakme Absolute product for this. So here you go. Hey guys, welcome to my new vlog. So today I'm gonna tell you that how you can get ready within 5 minutes. So I'm gonna do some very basic makeup, like you can use it and you can go out very easily. Like this is Lakme Sun Expert, like Ultra Matte Lotion 50 plus SPF is with it, like normally it's too hot, so definitely we should use it. So I'm just going to apply some sunscreen lotion before doing any makeup, so you should do that. So let me do that first and apply gently through all your body. So guys, let me use my hairband first so that I can apply makeup very nicely. So now I have applied this sunscreen lotion all over, and then I gonna use some this is primer. This is also Lakme primer. So today I'm going to tell you that how I'm using this Lakme products, and not too much product is needed. Those who are not looking for more makeup, then they can easily do this. So I'm just using some primer, very little, you don't need to do too much makeup. It's just like just to have a natural look, you can do this. So I'm gonna do this. So now you can see the changes on my face. So I've applied this all over my face, and then I gonna use some, though you can like if you're going to market you can use this Lakme 925cc cream also, but now I'm thinking to use some foundation. So here is the foundation, Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation, that is SPF 8. So this I am using. Not too much makeup I like to do, but yes, a little bit, I don't know why people use so much foundation, but I don't feel like that one should do the use this much of foundation. Sorry, it got stuck here. So I'm going to do this. You cannot be harsh over your face. So apply it gently, complete gently. So now you can see the change over my face. It's getting. And for the eyes, I'm not going to do much thing. It's just like I will put some kajal. This is also a Lakme kajal. So this is it. And then, though I'm having Lakme eyeliner also, but I don't want to, do much. So you can just simply, if you want some eye wings, so you can do like this. Yeah. So wings I have made through this liner, and this is also Lakme Iconic eyeliner. So that's what I did. And now it's just like after foundation we can apply a bit of this compact, you can say, so that the texture looks so clean. And so I'm going to do this. So you can see the change on my face. And yes, now I am thinking to use Lakme lipstick only today. So I'm going to do this. So if you're planning to go for a date night, then this red lipstick will look better. So I got it ready, and yeah, the problem is that with Lakme it will not give you the natural texture, though I'm having MAC product also. But today I'm thinking to show you how we can use this Lakme, and I'm ready to go. So let me just change my dress and come back to you. Hello guys, so this is my final look, and this is the same makeup. So makeup takes time to get settled, so we can also use highlighter if you want, so that your makeup should look so much highlighted. So you can do that. So let me put a bit of highlighter, and it is also of Lakme Absolute only. So yes, Absolute one is better, though I am using this Lakme product after so long, just to give a try and test it. So just over my face. I'm just applying a bit wherever I think that it should be highlighted, so I'm going to do that. Even we can use hair also. If you are having a collarbone, then you can use hair also. So I have done that. So yeah. So here is my look. Very minimalistic makeup I have did, and let me put a bracelet which will go with this dress, and a earring will also, and a ring also. So put any of the ring of your choice. So this will be my, and earrings also I can put very small earrings, though my hair is looking long. So already it will not visible to the viewers, so better to use this small earrings. And 1 second guys. Yeah. So this is my complete look which I have created, and see the highlighter is too much highlighted over my face, and it's looking so good. So this is it. And if you want to use some hair accessories also, that also you can do, but I don't think it's needed, so I'm not doing that. So this is my entire date look. So let me show you the entire look. Hey guys, so this is my entire look, and let me show you my look like this. So guys, if you are looking for the perfect date look, then this is here, the look which I have created for my perfect date. And yes, you can go on a date with this normal look. It's not looking too much, but it's very normal and it's looking so pretty. So I hope this 5 minutes of makeup is looking great, and see how I'm ready. So this is my entire look. So this is it. So ready for date.